Welcome to this tutorial on how to redirect your website from HTTP to HTTPS in WordPress without the need for an extra plugin. In this guide, you will learn how to make your website more secure using a simple process that can be completed in about 5 minutes. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. This is the central hub where you manage every aspect of your site. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will see a login option that allows you to access your account. Clicking on the login button takes you to a page where you can authenticate yourself and continue making changes to your website. After you click on the login option, look for the button that says Continue with Google. This streamlined method of logging in allows you to bypass entering additional passwords by using a verified Google account. When you click on this option, you will be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for logging in. Select your account from the list that appears. This method not only saves you time, but also leverages the security measures provided by your Google credentials, ensuring a smooth and secure entry into your WordPress control panel. Once you have successfully logged in, your next destination is the settings area of your website. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the settings section. This area allows you to customize various aspects of your website. When you enter the settings section, you are preparing to take a critical step in ensuring your website is secure by enforcing encrypted connections for your visitors. Within the settings area, you need to locate the field labeled Site Address. Here you will see the current web address of your site. If the address begins with HTTP, it means that your visitors are connecting to your website without the benefit of secure encryption. To enhance security, carefully change the URL from HTTP to HTTPS. The process is as simple as editing the text in the site address field so that the initial part of the URL now reads HTTPS instead of HTTP. By making this change, you are ensuring that all communication between your website and its users is encrypted, providing an added layer of protection and building trust with your audience. It is important to note that the ability to edit your website URL is available only if you have acquired a custom domain. Without a custom domain, WordPress restricts the modification of your website address for security purposes. This requirement is in place to ensure that all alterations to your website's configuration are made by someone who is in full control of their own domain. If you have already registered a custom domain, either through a domain registrar or via another trusted service, then you are all set to complete this important security upgrade. Following these clear and concise instructions, you have now successfully updated your website so that it uses the secure HTTPS protocol. This adjustment not only boosts the security of your site, but also lends credibility when users see the familiar secure icon in their web browser. With your website now redirecting HTTP to HTTPS, you are well on your way to providing a safer and more reliable online experience for your visitors. Enjoy the benefits of improved security for your WordPress site.